Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with hidden value. This is our document where we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS outline style properties, and we have discussed about a lot of things. We have discussed about the padding, margin, border, and so on and so forth. Right now we are going to be specifying outline style property of hidden, but before we do that, let's specify outline style of solid. So you can see one outline first. Can you see? As you can see, we are having this outline immediately after our red border right here, which is specified inside our body element right here. As you can see, this is our body element we select. But right now, let's change this to hidden, so you can see the value, so you can see the effect of hidden value. Can you see when we specify hidden value, we are no more seeing it again. So this thing also, we can try this. What we did now, we can try it in another document also. Let's try this in another element, which is our fit set element. When we try to specify solid right here, let's say for instance we have solid or rich. Let's just give rich, so you can see another different style you can have. Can you see we are having rich right here, right? So we are having rich outline right here. So I want to change this again to hidden, so you can see what will happen when I change it to hidden. I save my document. Let me reload. When I reload this document, as you can see, we are no more seeing any outline in our fit set element again. So the benefit of using this is so important to us. So I'm going to, but please, in case you don't know what we have been doing so far, I'm going to change the title I gave you right here to what? The the CSS outline, the CSS outline playlist, CSS outline. When I give this outline, let me give it outline style. You can check our CSS outline style playlist for you to understand everything we've been doing so far. So when I reload this, as you can see, we are having this CSS outline style playlist. You can check the previous tutorial on it also. And also, I want you to note something before I go. Note right here is that none of the other outline properties which you will learn more about in the next chapters will have any effect unless the outline style property is set. This big grammar you are seeing right here, I'm going to cut it short for you guys. That is, I used to say, if you don't have anything like outline style property or outline style value in your document, all the next outline properties and all that you are going to be learning about in the future tutorial, like this outline width, outline set, like this outline width, outline set we are having right here, you can't use it without specifying anything like outline style property. So you must have the outline style property with values, so before you can be able to use it. So that's what we are trying to say right here in this long grammar right here. So in our future tutorial, we are going to be exploring it so you can be able to follow along easily. And what akorede ayofe is, my name was Zingin. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Thank you so much.